Electricity as a utility is something that's extremely vulnerable because it's completely interconnected around the United States. Our goal is to not rely on that infrastructure, but have a redundancy that gives us resilience as an air station to respond to any sort of emergency where we would be out of power. We're able to power the base for up to 21 days based on on-site renewable and conventional resources. The renewable energy sources that we have on station are mostly from methane gas at the landfill. We also have it from solar, and we also have battery storage.
Millions could have lost power in rolling blackouts across California.
During the heat wave, we were able to support the grid by turning on our microgrid, and we were able to directly contribute to reducing the number of rolling blackouts that we're seeing in the region. The microgrid here has enabled other military installations that are working on these technologies to reduce dependence on fossil fuels and conventional resources.